We got the Great Northerners coming down to show us Mexicans how it's done. You got a whole bunch of cars turn out. I got a couple here to run. Get some video and photo to share the event around. And you've got Dan and Cooper down from the Central Coast with Aaron. And some good sponsors. For calibration services, RPM Hobbies. Got Brendan from WA. Got Unfair RC. Kept doing his own thing over there. A nicely set up track ready to go. Just about to make a run. Boys have got a brilliant banner going on for all people on race control. The Narara kneecapper.
Drivers ready? Watch the light. Careful on a win.
Slicker than a snake on a slippery dip, this thing out here, I tell you.
Yep. Drivers ready. Left side.
Good race, boys. Good race.
Yep.
Yeah. The Narara kneecapper.
Today's good practice, tomorrow, man.
You got breakouts, the dramas.
195 on a 195. Pretty happy.
Nice. Moving on. Here we go. We got Kev and Russ.
Yep. Ready?
There you are.
Yep, that's it. Drivers ready?
Yep.
Light.
It does feel like forever, doesn't it? Oh, nearly hit the chase.
Broke out too late.
Oh, fruit tingles? Oh, really? Aaron right lane, Brad left lane.
Yep.
Oh, it's going to be a long wait. Oh, oh, oh. Right lane. Oh, red light. Stu Noise. Oh, what a race. That was tight.
2106.
2-1.
266 to 243 reaction
Time and 191 across the finish line. 0.0191 win. That's how close it was.
Wow.
Almost 2 100ths of a second between you and across the finish line.
Wow. Left lane, 196, 195 bracket, so dial in, so he's done well.
Yeah, but his light was good.
It was. That was a good race. New South Wales versus Queensland. The Southern State wins it, holds it in New South Wales. Sunday at Sydney RC drag racing event. We've got limited prep, so basically clean tyre, and it's a control prep. Everyone uses it. Basically, heat tyres, put one dob in the dobber for one wheel, as much as you can extract out of it, then another dob for the other wheel, and then a bit of heat, and so everyone's going to run the same. Should be good to see what happens, keep it nice and even. Alright, Aaron and Biggs, first cabs off the rank. Look at that. Sweet. Oh! We got Russ and Kev.
Alright, ready?
Brenton versus Chris. Nice, Chris. You got it? Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Watch the light.
Chris to the Chris.
Figsy versus Kev. Prepping up. A nice day for it. Everyone's having a good time. Keeping busy, going fast, breaking stuff, fixing stuff.
Big crash. Yeah. It wasn't a big crash, like.
But you have to run as fast as you can, like, and just be
The white car. Ooh. Chris and Fix. Kev and Will. Oh, mate.
Yep. Watch the light. Ready? Yep. Watch the light.
How did you miss it?
Out there.
Alright, ready?
Oh, Stewie won that.
Really?
Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah. Alright. I'm coming back. Like, keep it up. Oh!
Are you ready?